Assalamu alaikum viewers and welcome back with a new video. Today we discuss lesson number 7 of Principle of Marketing. The name of lesson number 7 is Portfolio Analysis. Let's start. The topic number 1 is Marketing Process. Analyzing the current business portfolio, we have discussed in last lesson that in order to analyze the current business portfolio, the company must conduct portfolio analysis, a tool by which management identifies and evaluates the various businesses that make up the company. Two steps are important in these analyses. The first step is to identify the key business. The strategy business unit is a unit of the company that has a separate mission and objectives and which can be planned independently from other company businesses. The SBU can be a company division, a product line within a division, or even a single product or brand. The second step is to assess the attractiveness of its various SBUs and decide how much support each deserves. The best known portfolio planning method is the Boston Consulting Group BCG matrix. Number 1. They can be difficult, time consuming and costly to implement. Number 2. Management may find it difficult to define SBUs and measures market share and growth. Number 3. They focus on classifying current businesses but provide little advice for future planning. And number 4. They can lead the company to place too much emphasis on market share growth or growth through entry into attractive new markets. This can cause unwise expansions into hot, new risky ventures or giving up on established units too quickly. In spite of the drawbacks, most firms are still committed to strategy planning. Based upon this analysis, company design the growth strategies. Developing growth strategies. Companies should always be looking to the futures. One useful device for identifying growth opportunities for the future in the product market expansions guide. The product market expansions guide is a portfolio planning tool for identifying company growth opportunities and through. Number 1. Making more sales to present customers without changing product in any way. Market penetrations mean trying to increase sales of a firm's present product in its present marketing, probably through a more aggressive marketing mix. The firm may try to strengthen its relationship with customers to increase their rate of use or repeat purchases, or try to attract competitors, customers or current non-users. New promotions appeals alone may not be effective. A firm may need to add a home page on the internet to make it easier and faster for customers to place an order, or it may need to add more stores in present areas for greater convenience. Number 2. Market development. A strategy for company growth by identifying and developing new market for current company products. Example, demographical markets. Market development means trying to increase sales by selling present product in new markets. Firm may trying advertising in different media to reach new target customers, or they may add channels of distribution or new stores in new areas, including overseas. Number 3. Product development. Strategy for company growth by offering modified or new product to current markets. Product development means offering new or improved products for present markets. By knowing the present markets need, a firm may see new ways to satisfy customers. Computer software firms like Microsoft boost sales by introducing new version of popular programs. Diversifications. A strategy for company growth by starting up or acquiring businesses outside the company's current product and markets. Diversification means moving into totally different lines of business, perhaps entirely unfamiliar product markets or even levels in the production marketing system. Planning cross-functional strategy. The final step in the strategy planning process is planning functional strategy. Number 1. Once the strategic planning is in place, more details planning must take place within each business units. Number 2. Each department provide information for strategic planning. Marketing plays a key role in the company's strategic planning process by number one, providing a guiding philosophy. Number two, providing input the strategy planners by helping them identify attractive market opportunities and by assessing the firm's potential to take advantages of them. Number three, within individual business units, market design strategies for reaching the unit's objectives. And number four, market are challenged to find ways to get all department to think customers.